Okay guys, part 2 na natin ng Lebanese hamburger. Ito yung onion. Nikat ko yung onion. Ayan siya guys. Maraming onion. So, itong onion ay ilalagay ko sa hamburger. Ganon yung burger nila guys. Lulutuin ko yung onions. Ayan. Okay guys, ito na yung part 2. Lebanese hamburger. Ito na guys yung onion. Pinag-brown ko siya. Ayan siya, diba? Brown na siya. Ayun, okay na ito. Tanggalin na natin. Okay? Yung ating onion. Ito na yan. Okay guys, ito na yung ating main burger. So, dito na tayo. Tayo ay magluto ng ayan. Ayan na siya guys. Hindi mo masyado makita. Ayan na yung aking gagawing hamburger. So, how many grams this one? 1.5 kilos. 1.5 kilos. Ayan guys. So, ayan natin ang ating gagawing hamburger. Kakaiba to. Ganito kasi yung burger. Oh. Ayan na siya. Ano to siya? Ang dalawa guys. That's that. Plain ground beef. Ayan. Dalawa yun. Yun yung ating hamburger. Diba? Ayan na siya guys. So, tapos, lagay natin yung onion na pinabrown natin. Yan na siya. Ay, lagay muna natin yung tomato kasi maano siya, medyo mainit pa. Maluto. Ayun yung tomato na ni-slice. Diba? Wala na siyang, tubig. Ganun siya, guys. Diba? Yan yung ating tomato. Yung ilagay natin yung ating onions. Halo-halo na lang natin yung maya. Lagyan natin siya ng mas maganda paglagyan ng lemon pepper. Tapos lagyan natin yung ating bagong seasoning. Bago ko ito kay ginamit ang seasoning na to. Lagyan natin ng salt. Tansya lang natin. Lagyan natin ng pepper. parsley. Yung parsley. Lalaki ng parsley ko ah. Yan na siya guys. Natin ulit nito. Yung lalaki ng aking siya na guys. Halo-haloin na natin. Iupos ko na itong onion. Diba? Halo-halo. Mukhang maliit yung ano ko. Haluan. Natin ulit. Ito yung gusto ni Chen, yung burger lagyan namin ng plain. Gusto niya may ganito. Ito yung Lebanese hamburger guys. Ganito sila magluto. Diba? Tapos nilalagyan pa yan nila ng ano, cinnamon. At ayaw ko lagyan. Ayaw ko lagyan ng cinnamon. Kamayin ko siguro to. Maliit yung ano ko. Tika lang. Saglit. Ayan guys, nilipat ko sa malaki. Han?
Yes.
Can you fry?
Fry?
Yeah, this one we're gonna try the...
Okay.
But you need to wash your hand. Because you're gonna do like this, my hand have I'm burning, that's why. Yan ang aming Lebanese hamburger. So, ngayon, kung paano ito tikman ay ano kami ng ano tikman.
Did you put a little bit of that Worcestershire sauce?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, good.
You put some little oil.
Oil.
No.
Do we have any more oil?
No, you're okay.
I don't know.
Yes, little. And put the fire. Okay, you did because I need to wear the gloves. I'm burning my finger. That's why. You do like this.
Oh, you want me to do it? Oh, okay.
That's why I asked you to.
Okay, you need your hands.
A sample only. Where is that? We're gonna look the salt need or no. Right?
Yep.
big hamburger. It's cooked already. Try it, hon. Where's your spoon? Ooh. It's time to test. Oh, it's so juicy, ah.
Yeah.
It's a sample.
Oh, it's perfect.
How's the test?
Perfect.
It's good?
You're an expert, huh?